Is your Alight Motion audio sounding like a broken record? Don't stress, I'm going to show you how to fix it in under 2 minutes. First, let's make sure the obvious things are checked. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Now go to Settings and check the audio buffer size. A smaller buffer size can sometimes cause glitches. Try increasing it. Start with the medium setting, and if the problem persists, go for the large setting. If that doesn't work, let's look at your audio layers. Select the audio layer that's glitching. Check if you've accidentally added any effects to the audio layer that might be causing the distortion. Even a subtle echo or reverb can sometimes create unwanted issues. If you find any unnecessary effects, remove them by tapping the 3 dots next to Effect and selecting Delete. Okay, still glitching, here's another trick. Try exporting your project at a slightly lower quality. Sometimes a high-quality export can overload your device. Reduce the resolution slightly and give it a try. Usually, it fixes the problem. If these steps don't work, try closing and reopening Alight Motion. If nothing helps, restart your device. Good luck.